What's up, y'all? This is 10X Generation. This is my road to $1 billion. I'm building a decentralized cloud gaming platform where you can earn passive income sharing your PC and your games with others through the internet. So yeah, I didn't do very much work on it today, just because it was Sunday. I didn't do a whole lot of work on it, but I am gonna do. Yeah, I just didn't do a lot of work on it today, but I did do a little bit of Vision Pro programming today, very small amount, just getting everything set up and, got a basic app launch, like a Hello World thing. That's pretty cool. And it seems to be just regular Swift UI of that language that Apple has released, which that's the exact language that I used to build the Neon controller app on iOS anyway. So that makes it so that will be easier to implement. But I don't think that card app that I was talking about, it's gonna be a major undertaking because I was thinking about all the different parts of it. First, you have to have voice API so that you can talk and then someone else can hear you. And so basically, like, you have to have all that conferencing APIs, and I would have to use Unity because you have to make avatars for the people who are around, and you would probably want to use some 3D game software to do that instead of just using Xcode and SwiftUI to do that. So it'll have to be done in Unity. And some 3D modeling stuff. Now, I could probably just use some free or pay for some licenses to some 3D models. But that is a lot to do, especially when I'm full on with the project I'm doing now. So what I'm gonna do is very soon is coming up a hackathon at Georgia Tech. There's going to be a hackathon coming up soon. What I'll do is store that idea later and maybe just work on that during the hackathon. Now, that seems like a good idea. And me going to this would be the first ever hackathon I've ever went to. So if you don't know what a hackathon is, basically you just get a whole bunch of kids in a room and you just program something, and maybe there's a theme, but you program for several hours. Maybe it could be a day or a 2-day hackathon, whatever, and you present what you've made during that time. And sometimes some really cool things come out of it. So GroupMe, if you ever use GroupMe, that was spawned from a hackathon. I do believe Moonlight was spawned from a hackathon as well. So hackathons are pretty cool. But yeah, so that's probably what I'll do. Yeah, it's just, I've never really worked with other people before. I don't know how well I am good I am with working with other people, so it's going to test that. And that's probably the biggest thing. But yeah, so just for the business, I haven't done a whole lot of work. I'm going to get back to work tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah. So that's really it. That's all I have to say for today. So thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I make these videos every single day. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.